And so to the two tracks bringing us to the end of side one this week, stemming from a request from Peter Elliott in Trowbridge, Wiltshire, who sent in a selection of B-sides. Well, one of them slips nicely into one of our features we call Both Sides of the Record, so we hope you won't mind hearing both sides of one of your choices. This is the 1964 release by Portland, Oregon group The Kingsmen, who recorded Louie Louie without the facility of proper equipment to balance instruments and vocals, and despite it sounding a mess, was released on the small Jerden label until picked up by Wand, who turned it into a massive hit. The Kingsmen. After the next track, we shall break for the 9 o'clock news summary. But first, the B-side of Louie Louie. With just a few minutes of studio time remaining after that recording, the Kingsmen worked out this instrumental track called Haunted Castle. the news, it'll be side 2 of Sounds of the 60s, online, on digital radio, and on 88 to 91 FM.
BBC News at 9 o'clock. This is Jane Roy.